darlings, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is xojess and I do beauty, fashion and lifestyle vlogs. So as you can tell already on the title, this is going to be a birthday haul, and these are mainly from my husband, and I'm extremely grateful and so blessed for gifting me these very nice things. I'm not sharing this to you guys to brag or anything. This could be like helpful for those of you who are trying to find ideas for like gifts and whatnot. And yeah, I hope that you find this helpful. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And yeah, let's get started. This bag over here, it's a small leather goods. It's a SLG. And yeah, he got me this for my birthday, and this is what it looks like. And this is the box, and let's just open it. I actually already opened this, guys, because I can't wait. All right, so this is the receipt, the envelope of receipt. It has this textile, the barcode, and the receipt, which we actually pick up at Pacific Fair Shopping Center as well in Gold Coast here in Australia, and it retails for $675. I've been wanting this for ages, and he knows that I've been wanting this for ages. And then we went to Gucci, and then I was like about to change my mind because this purse from Gucci is just so cute, and it's pink, and yeah, like I'm just gonna stick with the Gucci because it's pink and it's so cute. And then he was like, no, you stick with the one that you really been wanting for a long time. And then he said that I needed to complete my my collection with Louis Vuitton, and then that's it, and then I could move on to other brands. So yeah, that's fair enough, and he's the one who's paying for it, so yeah, why not? So we ended up going to Louis Vuitton, not the Gucci. All right, so this is what I've got. It's a small leather good, and I got I got the Victorine. I thought I'm gonna end up picking up the Josephine or Emily, but I don't carry big wallets anymore. Like, I'm a very compact wallet girl. And yeah, so I ended up getting the Victorine, and this is what it looks like. I had it hot stamped as well. It's JK, and it has 3 card slots here and 3 here, and there's no, there's nothing there. So there's 1 over here, and there's coin purse over here, and he actually already put like 500 yen. It's when we went to what do you call this, Japan. So he, yeah, and then he also gave some cash over here. So yeah, I'm sold. Like, I've been wanting this for a long time, and he got it for me. He's so sweet. So that is that. Okay, so the next one is from Sharansky, and it's a jewelry, obviously, and I'm so excited for you to see it because it's so pretty. It comes in a box like that. And this is what he got me. He got me a pair of earrings, and they're so classy and simple. That's my definition of these pieces. It's so classy and simple. I just, yeah, it's so pretty, you guys. Can you see it? Oh my god, don't worry, they are not diamond or anything. They were just Swarovski, and I love them so much. It's so perfect for when we go to events or maybe just like date nights, and yeah, it's so perfect. I think he paid, was it 150 or 180? I couldn't remember, but that's like how much he paid for it. Of course, I needed to find out how much he paid for it because I don't want him to spend more money because I'm already very spoiled. Last but not the least is this bag from Gucci. Oh my god, I am so excited for this. We went to Gucci store twice because I couldn't decide what I like. But yeah, we ended up picking up this item. So it comes in a box like this. It's in a bow. And let's just open it so I can show it to you and I could just start using it. Alright, so you probably already have an idea what's in this bag, right? So it's in a drawstring, so you probably already have an idea. So I got the Gucci belt. I've been actually eyeing on, like, it's like a dusty rose or pink looking leather belt, but then I was like, maybe it's better if I'll just stick with black because it's easier to work with black, I think. And at first we originally picked up the 85 and then I went back and then I had it changed to 90 to 36. And what's the name of this again? I couldn't even remember, but I'm gonna put it right here. And yeah, so this is what it got me from Gucci and I love it so much. This is my very first like good belt and I couldn't wait to use it, and I know that it's gonna last me for forever because I look after my stuff. And I couldn't wait because I know that this would work with dresses, of course with jeans, and yeah, I couldn't wait to style this. So this is the receipt. It's actually unopened. Should I just open it? And this is my receipt. He paid $645 for it, and yes. Good job, baby. Thank you so much. So yeah, that's all that I've got from the hubby, and thank you so much, babe. I'm very spoiled and I just want you to know that I'm very, very grateful, thankful. You're so sweet. And yeah, I hope you find this video helpful, and yeah, so that's it. It has been xojess here. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi.